All right, I've got a good Hustler Fastrak commercial grade 44-inch deck, fabricated and reinforced with thick steel all the way around. It's got the bigger front casters on it, and this has dual fuel tanks, a good seat. Motor has been replaced on this just recently. It still looks like it's brand new. It's a Predator engine 708. Runs great, operates great, no problems at all. I actually don't know what the horsepower is on that Predator. Might have to look that up. Nice little Fastrak Z here. I'll start it up and show you how she operates. It's got the heavy duty foot pedal deck height adjustment with the drop pin right here. I'll fire it up. Idle it down for you. Rev it up. This mower's got real good ground speed, blade tip speed. It cuts really well. Got some taller grass right here. Clean cut. Disengage these blades. Deck runs nice and smooth, operates like it should. This will go right through the gates, make a nice heavy duty mower for somebody. The deck does have a little bit of welding on it right there. If you didn't notice it in the earlier part of the video, I meant to point that out.